My name is Jeff Cross, and this is Take Five. And today I'm pleased to welcome Sunny Ahuja with Kill It Online. Hi, Sunny.
Hi, Jeff.
Good to
Always
have
good to
you.
see you.
Good to see you. We are going to cover some interesting content in 5 minutes in just a moment about how to use Google My Business. Let's go ahead and talk about that because as a business owner, those watching, they want to know how to use Google My Business to their advantage. So the clock is starting right now, Sunny. We have 5 minutes. Tell us about it and how it's changed over the years.
Sure. So Google My Business, it's called Google Business Profile now. It is one of the hottest properties on internet that a small business, a local business can use to generate leads. It's absolutely free. Google is kind of giving a complete website, a complete listing, a complete profile for any business out there that wants to get more customers and clients.
Okay, Sunny. So how can Clean Fact subscribers increase their exposure on Google My Business or whatever you called it?
Google Business Profile, so there's many things that can be done with Google Business Profile or Google My Business. You can optimize your profile, and there are things you can do so it ranks higher in Google My Business, in front page of Google. That's how you get more business. So I'll share 3 things with you here. The top 3 strategies that can help your subscribers rank high with Google My Business. But then there's a whole step-by system to it, and I have like an 8-step system. So the top 3 things that a business should do or can do is, number 1, they must claim and verify their Google My Business profile. What I still see is, with our newer clients, they do have a listing on Google, but they still haven't taken the time to get it verified by Google. It's a simple process. It's not too hard. It just takes a few days. Sometimes it takes a matter of hours. It just depends how your initial listing is set up. But you have to go in there, give all the information to Google about your business, choose the right category, and so on. And based on that, Google will send you a postcard. Once you have the postcard, you add the PIN number in your Google My Business profile, and you are able to claim it and verify it. Sometimes they'll just do it over the phone, which is way faster. They don't get into that postcard thing. It depends. The second thing a business owner that they must do with Google My Business is get more reviews. I can't insist enough on that. The more reviews you have, especially good ones, 5-star reviews. 1, it helps you rank high in Google My Business itself, in front page of Google. Secondly, it increases the conversions, the call volume from your Google My Business profile. So getting on page 1 of Google is one thing, but let's say if you're on page 1 on Google and still not generating any leads, it doesn't help, right? All that hard work you put in optimizing your profile. So if you have a profile with good ratings, with 5-star reviews, with lots of reviews, the more the better. You will see an increase in call volume to your office, to your place of business. People read reviews. I often see with our clients, the more reviews our clients have, the higher their call volume. And the third thing that makes a big impact on your listing, on your rankings, is if you add pictures to your profile constantly. So by constantly, I mean not like every single day, but often. So the more pictures you add to your Google My Business, that helps your listing rank high. Most businesses don't add pictures except for day 1 when they will optimize their listing, right? But if you are adding pictures, just like you do on Facebook, so Google is trying to keep people on Google My Business, of course. So the more pictures you add, the more engagement you have with your audience. That's another factor that'll help your listing rank high.
Great tips. Yeah, great tips, Sunny. Appreciate it. And of course, down below in the video description, we'll include a link so people can reach out to you for more help, because online marketing is not getting any easier for those out there running their businesses. They need help like you that you can provide. So thank you.